Well, oh my goodness, folks, this is a big one. Shopify over the weekend announced a huge announcement, a huge new feature coming soon, and that is that Shopify announces Sidekick, a new AI assistant for merchants. Sidekick can help explain sales trends, help edit your website theme, or answer frequently asked questions. This is a big one. This is from TechCo on July 12th by Adam Rode. Thank you. The link for this article is in the description. But this may be one of the biggest updates that they've ever released. With the AI craze going on now, everyone's trying to exploit AI and use AI in literally every market, every sector, at every job. And in e-commerce and entrepreneurship, this is extremely important. So the article says the tool called Sidekick can complete tasks for merchants to save time, as well as answer questions about details like sales trends within a store. With it, Shopify joins other business software companies that have also rolled out their AI assistants. This was marked as coming soon, so obviously we'll have much more details coming up. But if you're thinking about how to use AI or ChatGPT in your small business, in your Shopify store, maybe just wait a little bit more, because Shopify is going to be installing their very own new AI chatbot assistant right into their store that can do a lot of features that you struggle with. And so how will it work essentially is going to be a Sidekick tool that's located in your admin in the sidebar, where you can just ask it to do things, ask it to do tasks, ask it to analyze analytics. It's pretty crazy. I think this is technology, that's not really going away anytime soon and is only getting better. And so this is huge news, huge news. The news was basically announced, it looks like, from this Twitter video from Toby. And he basically goes on to say that entrepreneurs are heroes and every hero needs a sidekick. And so that's kind of where it got its name from. He goes on to say that, a lot of entrepreneurs work in teams where they can collaborate and work together. But a lot of entrepreneurs and small business owners don't have that luxury. They are working at their dreams by themselves and they don't have that support. So with Sidekick, that would kind of look like this. They also have that support, that sidekick essentially for any question that they would ever have. How to do this? Can you do this for me? That is always there, never stops working. And that's the whole idea behind AI. So it says examples of how Sidekick can help includes explaining sales trends, because Sidekick can access your website's data, as well as answering FAQs from Shopify's online knowledge base, its help center, its community, forums, etc. And it can also edit your website theme. But anyway, this is absolutely massive. It goes on and talks more about like AI and the rise. But the main thing here is that people are dying to figure out ChatGPT and how it can help optimize their specific lives, their specific jobs, their specific online stores, And so it's pretty wild how Shopify has kind of taken this step, and they're not relying, on third-party ChatGPT or any other AI. They're just going to build it right into their own platform. I mean, who else has that? I don't know if any other e-commerce site has that yet, or if they ever will be. But this is super, super exciting, because he kind of also mentioned in the video that, and I completely agree with this. I say this all the time, that when you're running an e-commerce store, or you're starting one up, or a Shopify store, there's like a million things you have to do. But then as you go along and really dive into running the store, there's a million other things that you didn't even know you had to do that you have to do. So, I mean, I think entrepreneurs in general could use all the help they can get. And if Shopify is putting their own Sidekick, their own AI tool, directly into their own platform, I think that is huge. I cover a lot of these Shopify breaking news announcements and major updates. So if you want to stay in the loop, subscribe to my channel. I also did a video earlier in the year talking about 2023 trends for e-commerce and what people are going to focus on. But I think the rise in AI, over just the last year, this is the new trend. This is without a doubt the new trend. And I think it's all about just how people can optimize whatever they're doing so that AI can help them time manage. AI can help them with tasks, mundane tasks that are simple, easy to do, and may not be working or broken. I mean, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. So stay tuned for more information regarding Shopify's Sidekick. Extremely exciting for store owners, e-commerce in general. And I can't wait to hear the official announcement. And I can't wait to hear what else this is going to do when it actually releases. If you like to stay informed with Shopify, e-commerce, trends, major releases from the platform, from Toby, subscribe to my channel. This is what I talk about. I think it's super important that you continually learn all about the platform that you're running your business on. And this is a can't miss, I think. This is one of the biggest updates I've ever seen. So stay tuned for more. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video.